Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your images pop. For this we need to remove the light from the background, therefore our eyes will automatically see the image glowing. Let's start with the first step, which is the dodge and burn step. Before we start it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now we are going to rename our group dodge and burn, and then we'll go to new adjustment and choose curves. We'll put the pointer in the middle of this line and scroll it down to reveal the shadows. Yes, reveal the shadow. After we are going to invert the mask by pressing Ctrl I, and then rename the layer. This one is for the burn. Going to do the same thing for the dodge. Instead of scrolling it down, we will scroll the line up to reveal the light. By renaming the layers, it will allow you to be more organized in your work, so don't hesitate to do that. We will create a black and white layer so we can easily see the shadow and the light on the subject. Now we'll choose the brush tool and make sure your flow is under 10. When you are working with a black mask, make sure that the white is on the top, so change it if it isn't. We are going to work on the burn layer, and make sure you use a soft round brush and start painting over the shadow. Once you are done working on the burn layer, you are going to work on the dodge layer to reveal the light. It will allow you to avoid a flat image, so the subject can pop more. While working on the dodge layer, the brush with some shadows, I'm going to remove them. Don't forget to put the black on the top by pressing X. And now, if you see that the dodge and burn is so much, you can decrease their opacity at the level you want, depending on your image. Now we are going to color grade our image by creating a new lookup, and then choose our color. And this color will be free in the description. If you want, you can have it. Make sure you keep watching this video for the password. You can see the before and the after, but I prefer to apply the color specifically on the subject because I want the subject to pop, and it's why I'm going to make a selection from select subject tool. I'm deleting this mask because I want to invert the mask with the selection. Okay, once we are done with the color grading, we will merge all the layers. So we will have all the layers in one. Okay, we are going to use our previous selection by pressing Ctrl and left click to select the subject from the mask. And we will use the selection to select the background by going to select and choose inverse. And then we have got the background selected. We have come into an important step. We will use the camera raw filter to make our subject pop. Okay, we will go to this section from the camera raw and choose select background. It will automatically select the background for you. After we'll go to the video grading. We size it on the subject and then invert the mask. After, decrease the exposure to darken the background more. After, we are going to the color mixer and increase the orange color. Here's the before and here's the after. And then increase the saturation of the blue and press OK. Now we will use our color on the background because we don't want that the color of the subject is too much different from the color of the background. So here's the before and after, as you can see. Hey guys, we are done with this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and keep creating.